Today I am reviewing the Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 Professional Flossing Electric Toothbrush and Water Flosser combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a complete game changer for your daily oral hygiene routine, you're going to want to hear about this. Today, we are diving deep into a comprehensive review of the Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 Professional Flossing Electric Toothbrush and Water Flosser combo. Specifically, we are looking at the white model number SF-04CD010-1. Now, we all know that dental care is one of those things we can easily slack on, even though we shouldn't. Traditional brushing leaves plaque behind, and let's be entirely honest with ourselves. Almost nobody enjoys manually flossing with standard string floss every single night. It's tedious, it can hurt sensitive gums, and it's just one more chore at the end of a long day. That is exactly where this 2-in-1 powerhouse device comes in to completely save the day. Waterpik calls it the toothbrush that flosses for you. And after putting it to the test, it genuinely lives up to that bold claim. Let's start by breaking down exactly what makes the Sonic-Fusion 2.0 so unique. This isn't just an electric toothbrush sitting next to a separate water flosser on your counter, cluttering up your limited bathroom space. It is a true, fully integrated 2-in-1 combo. The magic lies right in the brush head itself. Built directly into the center of the Sonic toothbrush bristles is a specialized water flosser nozzle. This genius design allows you to transition seamlessly between tasks. In fact, the device features 3 distinct cleaning modes that you can activate with the mere touch of a button. First, you have the standard brush mode, which utilizes an advanced sonic electric toothbrush to vibrate away surface stains and plaque. Second, you have the floss mode, which activates the built-in electric water flosser to blast away debris from deep between your teeth and beneath the gum line. But the absolute best part? The third mode is brush and floss. This mode runs both features simultaneously. Imagine brushing your teeth while a pressurized stream of water is simultaneously flossing between them. It turns what used to be a multi-step, multi-minute hassle into one highly efficient, incredibly satisfying routine. Clinically speaking, this system is proven to be up to 2 times as effective as traditional manual brushing and flossing when it comes to reducing plaque and improving overall gum health. It is especially a lifesaver for anyone dealing with the extra challenges of daily gum care, braces, crowns, bridges, or dental implants, where food particles love to hide out of reach. When it comes to features, the Sonic-Fusion 2.0 Professional is packed with smart technology. The rechargeable handle sits neatly and charges right in the base, featuring a clear recharge indicator light, so you never run out of juice unexpectedly. For the brushing side of things, it includes 2 different toothbrush speeds and a built-in 2-minute timer with a 30-second pacer. This ensures you actually brush for the dentist-recommended duration, gently prompting you when it's time to move to a different quadrant of your mouth. For the water flosser side, the heavy-duty base unit features a large, 16-ounce removable reservoir that is incredibly easy to pop off, fill with warm water, and clean. You get a full 60 seconds of continuous flossing time per fill. On the side of the base, you'll find a dial containing 10 different water pressure settings. This is a massive plus because it allows you to fully customize the intensity. If you have sensitive gums, you can start low at a level 2 or 3, and as your gums get stronger and healthier, you can crank it all the way up to 10 for a deep, powerful clean. Waterpik didn't skimp on the included accessories either. Inside the box, you get the Sonic-Fusion 2.0 Professional base and handle, 2 flossing brush heads, 1 compact size and 1 full size, along with 2 protective brush head covers. It also features a handy magnetic brush head storage post to keep your sink tidy. For travelers, they've included a premium toothbrush travel case and outfitted the device with global voltage compatibility, meaning you can take your premium oral care routine with you anywhere in the world. It's also worth noting that Waterpik is the #1 water flosser brand recommended by dental professionals globally. They were the very first water flosser brand to earn the prestigious American Dental Association, or ADA, seal of acceptance for safety and effectiveness. Plus, They back this specific professional model with a robust 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty, and their customer support team is famously helpful if you ever have questions. In conclusion, if you want a cleaner, fresher mouth, healthier gums, and shorter visits to the dental hygienist, the Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0 is worth every single penny. It streamlines your morning and nightly routines, saves counter space, and delivers that unbeatable, fresh out of the dentist chair clean every single day. It is highly recommended for anyone looking to invest in their long-term health.